welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can claim your Aesthetes airdrop. So you can see here Aesthetes today published their white paper. From today, all XRP members, well, everybody who has an XRP account is able to claim their ELS. And what you have to do is you have to set a trust line toward the issuer address, and that's how simple it is. You can do that two different ways. So either you can use the XRP toolkit, or you can use the SAM community. We can see here the code is ELS, so we now have to check if the issuing address, if it's the same here, it's RH whatever. Let's see, it's here, RH, it's that one here. Great, so that one is the trust line, so you can either go to xrpl tokens, click on, and then on the filter, type ELS here. That's the first way, and then just click on set trust line, so that's the easiest way, I guess. Yep, I'm just gonna, you know what, I'm gonna copy that. So I'm gonna put that URL into the description. You just click on the link, and then just click on confirm. Then you scan it with the app, so with the SAM app. And so I'm gonna do that now. So I'm going to SAM app, going to scan QR code section from my phone right now, and I still have to find it. Yep, there it is. And after doing that, you are right in setting the trust line for, so okay, it worked, so I'm setting it now. So I'm signing it, so the XRP ledger is now validating the trust line request. And we are done. So now you can look at the XRP toolkit, and you can see here, they just set the ELS trust line. And at some deadline, they will do the airdrop, so the only thing you have to do is to set the trust line. Like I said, I will post the link here. So you could have also done setting the trust in here. You just click on add asset, and if you just, for example, click on custom edit, and you can also add the issuer here. So not that one here, but you can put the issuer. So this one is issuer, and then you can just enter the currency. It's ELS, and then next. It would be also a possibility. Okay, so you can do it these two ways. So either using XRP toolkit and doing it manually, or looking on XRPL tokens, then filter for ELS, and then just click on set trust line. It's as simple as that. Alright, so that's it for this video. So the airdrop will happen after a certain deadline. So, well, we can also look at the white paper quickly when it is. The airdrop is on, yeah, there you can see here it's planned for the 15th of April to the 15th of June 2022. So we've got lots of time setting it. And the claim period ends in February 2022. So we've got till the 15th of February 2022. Alright, so I'm also going to link the white paper and all of that. So, and right, yeah, that's it in as far. So to quickly mention what it is. So Aesthetes is, as far as I know, a NFT platform. So well, the first bigger one, I guess, on the XRP ledger. So they're currently working on all of that. You can look at it, look into the white paper a little more closely. I was asked to highlight how you can claim your airdrop. That's what I did, and yeah, it definitely sounds very interesting. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.